Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can family share games on Steam. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and open Steam, and finally once you have opened Steam, all you have to do to go ahead and enable family share first of all is going to be by clicking on Steam and then going to settings. So before we do anything over here, so I'm simply going to tell you one thing to do before all of this. So normally, in order for you to go ahead and family share, you're gonna have to go ahead and log in your account into your family member's computer, if you know what I mean. Basically, first go ahead and log out of their account and then finally log in through your account. And finally, once you have logged in into your account, you're simply gonna go to this button which says Steam, go to settings, and here go to family. And finally, once you have done that, you'll have to go ahead and check mark this button which says authorize library sharing on this computer. And when you take that out, and the account that has been logged in before will be shown here, and you'll select it and click OK, and it will basically go ahead and enable your family share, which means you can play the games in your library in your family members account as well. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.